Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the morning con call. We start with technical and derivatives outlook. So in yesterday's session, we saw that there was a correction in the market, and Nifty has now closed below 20,000 level. So if I look at the chart pattern, there was a gap down opening and slight pressure was there. Mainly, this pressure was because of the Reliance and the HDFC Bank, which corrected the most. So if I now talk of the trend for the Nifty is still positive. So at the lower level, 19,800 is the immediate base. And I believe this range of 19,800 to 19,500 is the demand zone. So this correction should be viewed as a buying opportunity. Maybe this 20,200 might act as a temporary top, but then we are seeing a range of 19,500 to 20,500 for the next couple of weeks. So anytime, whenever it comes close to support level, I think stock specific long should be initiated. Nifty right now at this moment 20,200 might act as a slightly resistance, maybe from the monthly expiry point of view. But then maybe in the near term, it has a high probability of this level being taken out. But maybe for the next couple of days, this range would be 19,500 to 20,200. And coming to Bank Nifty was also seen a very good amount of correction in yesterday's session. It was almost down by 600 points, but even in this kind of scenario, AU Bank was positive by 3.5%, and majorly the HDFC Bank was the one which was down by 4%. So now, if we look at this from the charts point of view, 45,000 was the level from where the initially the buying came in. So now there is a probability from the current level, more 300 points kind of a correction can be seen in Bank Nifty. Lower side 45,000 and 44,500. This 500 points range on the lower side is the demand zone for the Bank Nifty. And all this while, when the Nifty made a new high, the Bank Nifty never registered the new all-time high level. So Bank Nifty is definitely seeing some amount of pressure. At higher level, 46,500 is the resistance for the Bank Nifty. Only in the near future, whenever this level is taken out, then the fresh upside level will be there. But then we always believe that the Bank Nifty is going to outperform close to 50,000 level, but it will take a little bit of longer time. Right now, the range for the Bank Nifty would be 46,500 to 44,500. This is slightly bigger range, 2,000 point range for the Bank Nifty. Whenever it comes close to the support level, I think we should always keep a stock specific buying approach. PSU Bank should be the leader in the overall banking sector, is what I believe. Coming to the derivatives outlook, so there was the long liquidation, long unwinding in Nifty future, close to 7.6%. The OI is also declined in yesterday's session. The put call ratio was down from 1.1 to 0.8, slight decline. The most of the call writing was seen at 20,000 and 19,900 strike price. So this will act as a resistance. And for the support, again, the 19,900 and 19,800 put option. So this will be the support. Coming to Bank Nifty, so there was a short built up in Bank Nifty to the tune of 0.32%. The put call ratio has declined from 0.81 to 0.69. The call writing was seen as 45,500 and 45,400. And the put writing was seen as 45,100 and 45,200. So this will be the support. There are a lot of stocks in the band, BHEL, Chambal, Hindustan Copper, Indiabul Housing Finance, Balrampur Chini, PNB, Manappuram, Z, and Delta Corp. These are the few stocks which are in the band. So, lastly, the FI data. So, FI on the index future has sold close to 25,000 contract. They are net long by 33,000, and the long short ratio is still 61% from the FI's index position point of view. So stocks that can be kept on a watch is the tire stocks. Balkrishna, from the trading point of view, Balkrishna Industry and JK Tire is looking good on chart, so we can keep a watch on it. Beside this, Lalpat Lab is also one stock which is looking good from the technical point of view, so can be a trading momentum. So that's a technical view. I'll hand over to Bhavesh sir for more research updates. Thank you.
Hi, good morning, team. So, starting with the update on IT. So, Infosys and NVIDIA have collaborated to help world's enterprise boost productivity with generative AI. So, although this is not an exclusive partnership, but we believe that it will help in capturing AI-related tech spends. So positive for Infosys. Second on TCS. So again, TCS has entered into a strategic partnership with Bank ID. Bank accepts Norway's national payment bank to set up and manage an operation command center, which will enhance resilience, security, and availability of country's financial infrastructure. So this is again positive for TCS. Then Indian hotels. So Indian hotels has announced opening of the Taj the Trees in Vikhroli. So this is the fifth Taj hotel in Mumbai, and again it is a positive as hotel industry is doing very well as of now. Then on construction sector, so road construction in the month of August stood at 526 kilometers versus 418 kilometer on a YOY basis. So the road construction increasing year over year, and in this space, we PNC Infra is our topic with target price of 432. Then on ABB, so ABB is working with in partnership with SMS Group, which is a specialist in plant construction, mechanical and electric automation for metal industry to provide MV motors and MV drives for ArcelorMittal's new steel plant. So this is positive for ABB. Then in BHEL, we have a management change. So Mr. Tajendra Gupta has been appointed director of power department at BHEL. So he is a guy who joined NTPC in 1989 and has 34 years of diverse and versatile experience. So a positive management change for BHEL. And lastly, on DCB Bank, so the DCB Bank has received an approval from RBI that HDFC AMC can acquire up to 9.5% of the paid up capital of the bank. As of now, it has nearly 4.5% stake. So this is positive for DCB Bank overall, and fundamentally we are also positive, and we have a buy rating on the stock. So that's it from me. Over to you, the retail team.
Thank you, sir. Good morning, everyone. Few updates from my side. First update on Aurobindo Pharma. Yesterday, company said the US health regulator has issued a Form 483 with the one observation. After inspecting a formulation production facility of its unit in Andhra Pradesh, the USFDA inspected the Unit 4 of APL Healthcare Limited, which is a wholly owned subsidiary of the company, in the Tirupati district of Andhra Pradesh from September 13 to September 19, 2023. The Hyderabad base window updated on the exchange. Then Apollo Tire production of bias and OTR off the road tires at Apollo Tires manufacturing facility in Limda, Gujarat has been temporarily halted due to concern raised by the shop floor employees regarding the renewal of the long-term settlement agreement. According to the reports, so Apollo Tire is actively engaged in discussion and negotiation with labor union representative to address this concern and work towards a mutually agreeable resolution. The next update on Godrej property. The Godrej property yesterday said it has raised 1,160 crore to issue of non-convertible debentures, that is NCDs, on a private placement basis. The next update on Cipla, the inspection by the USFDA at the manufacturing facility of Innovagen Pharmaceuticals, New York, USA, wholly owned subsidiary of the company, has concluded with a 5 observation in a Form 483. There are no repeat and data integrity observation. The company will address this comprehensive with a stipulated time as per the Cipla state in the statement. Then last update on REC, the entire shareholding of Beware Transmission Limited comprising 50,000 equity shares presently held by REC Power Development and Consultancy has been transferred at par value along with all its assets and liabilities to Sterlite Grid 27 Limited. So that's it from my end. Now I will hand over to Prabhakar sir. Thank you and over to you, sir.
Good morning, team. Government plans to sell stake in SJVN up to 2.46%. This is a base. And if there is a oversubscription, they will disinvest another 2.46% stake. The OFS 4 price will be 69 rupees per share. Totally, they will rise 1,600 crores. And if this happens, it will be positive. The free float will increase in the stock. Biocon Biologistic critical eye care treatment medicine, SFLE, gets European Commission nod. It is a biosimilar of a product. I'm not able to pronounce it. IPO market, we have seen in 2023 till today 29 issues which have till now come. 2 issues are in pipeline which is going on, and 2 more is likely to come. So, but we have till now IPO market has raised 23,000 crores. Amount wise, it is very small because in 2021, 1,18,000 crore was raised. 2022, it was 59,302 crores. And the IPOs were also very high. In 2021, it was 63, and 2022, it was 40 IPOs. But very important is the oversubscription is very high. The average oversubscription is 60 times is what it is saying. But latest IPO has not been great. Yatra online public issue was subscribed 1.61 times. So I think saturation is coming in IPO. One has to be a bit careful in IPOs going forward. Total Energy and Adani Green form a 50-50 partnership where Total Energy will invest $300 million. GRSE signs a pact with global firms. 2 agreements they have signed. One is for hydrogen fuel cell ferry, and this is with this MOU is with Lloyd Register, and there is one more medium speed engine, which potential to collaborate in production, sales, and service with Caterpillar, which is positive for GRSE. In BDL also, they are saying the company can get 25,000 crore order in the next few years. India and US, they are going to launch a partnership in to buy 10,000 electric vehicle from India. So Tata Motor and Ashok Leyland will benefit. Ola Electric will not benefit because Ola Electric is it is component manufactured in China, assembled in India. So they will not stand the test. Now, so US doesn't like anything manufactured in India. So please avoid that stock. Sheela Foam to launch QIB to rise 1,200 crores. Base size will be 1,000 and additional 200 crores if there is a oversubscription. It will be 7.8% discount to the current going price. GR Infra unit backs 737 crore order for highway construction in UP, 4-lane highway from National Highway Authority. There is a fraud which has happened in FinoBank is what we come to understand by the exchange notification. FinoBank has said that they have received complaints from client and merchant about some forgery. So they have appointed KPMG to conduct detailed investigation of the incident. Yarrowflux has purchased land parcel of 79,061 square feet adjoining facility. They are in Navi Mumbai. So the property is bought for 5 crore and they will invest 48 crores in the facility to increase the capacity. Currently, it is 11 million meter per annum. It will become 13.5 million meter per annum. So this is very positive for Aeroflux. Fed meeting was there yesterday. So in the meeting, the policy rates have been hold steady. So we don't expect a hike or cut till November, December this year. Yesterday, Parliament passed Women's Reservation Bill. But it is 33%. But we need to understand there are caveats. So it will not be implemented immediately. Census and delimitation exercise are key to implement. So maybe in 2029 Parliament election, it might be implemented. Manipal Hospital, they will acquire 84% stake in Imami's AMRI hospital for 2,300 crores. This amount is a speculative amount. So with this, the total beds Manipal Hospital holds is 9,500 beds. We need to understand Manipal is not a listed entity, but it is the second largest. Maybe very soon they'll be the first largest in number of beds. They will cross Apollo Hospital. But what will happen is Imami will has sold all its non-core assets and it will focus on core assets. That is the most important thing. So the hangover for Imami is gone. PDS has acquired UK-based Little Mistress brand IP. PDS is a global fashion sourcing company. So they have units in Europe, UK, and every part. So they source from India and sell it to the retailers there. So they have tie-up with about 7-8 retailers there. In the last news, Exide Industries has invested 124 crores in Exide Energy Solution Limited. Over to you, team.
या थैंक यू सर एंड गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन. सो स्टार्ट करते हैं आज के हिंदी अपडेट्स के साथ. फर्स्ट अपडेट जो है वो है अबाउट SJVN, जहाँ पे गवर्नमेंट अपना 2.46% स्टेक सेल करने का प्लान कर रही है SJVN में एट प्राइस ऑफ ₹69 पर शेयर. इसका टोटल वैल्यू जो होगा वो होगा अराउंड ₹1,600 करोड़. IPO मार्केट की अगर बात करें तो ईयर 2023 में अब तक अराउंड 29 IPOs इशू हो चुके हैं, दो अभी भी पेंडिंग है, जिसका ओवरऑल वैल्यूएशन है अराउंड 23,000 करोड़ रुपीस. सो अभी तक का अगर डेटा देखें कंसिडरिंग 2021 और 2022 ईयर, तो काफी ओवर सब्सक्राइब्ड हो गया आईपीओ मार्केट. अभी तक इंडिया में ओवर सब्सक्रिप्शन काफी हाई है. एवरेज इसका अगर देखें तो 69% का ओवर सब्सक्रिप्शन है, तो क्लियरली एक सैचुरेशन जो है देखा जा रहा है आईपीओ मार्केट में. सो यहाँ पे थोड़ा कॉशियस रहने का एडवाइस होगा आने वाले सारे आईपीओ में. BDL की अगर बात करें तो कंपनी जो है इनको ₹25,000 करोड़ का ऑर्डर मिल सकते हैं आने वाले 2 साल में, जो एक पॉजिटिव अपडेट रहेगा कंपनी के लिए. शीला फोम जो है ये QIB के थ्रू ₹1,200 करोड़ लॉन्च करने वाली है. इसी के साथ अगर फेड मीटिंग जो कल हुई थी इसके रिगार्डिंग कुछ अपडेट्स ले, तो कल के मीटिंग में पॉलिसी रेट्स जो है स्टेडी रखे गए थे, कोई कट नहीं दिखा गया था. एट द सेम टाइम कुछ आने वाले मंथ्स की अगर बात करें एटलीस्ट टिल नवंबर एंड दिसंबर दिस ईयर, तो कोई कट्स एक्सपेक्टेड नहीं. मणिपाल हॉस्पिटल की अगर बात करें तो हॉस्पिटल जो है 84% स्टेक अक्वायर करने जा रहा है इमामी हॉस्पिटल में. मणिपाल हॉस्पिटल करंटली एक लिस्टेड कंपनी नहीं है, बट इसके अगर ओवरऑल कैपेसिटी की बात करें तो 9,500 बेड्स जो है ऑलरेडी इसके अंडर है ओवरऑल कंट्री में. सो बहुत जल्दी ये लार्जेस्ट हॉस्पिटल बनने वाला है इन टर्म्स ऑफ द नंबर ऑफ बेड्स अवेलेबल. इन्फोसिस के रिगार्डिंग एक अपडेट ले तो इन्फोसिस एंड एनवीडिया जो है इन्होंने कोलैबोरेशन किया है टू हेल्प वर्ल्ड्स एंटरप्राइजेस इनकी प्रोडक्टिविटी बूस्ट करने के लिए विद जनरेटिव AI. TCS की अगर बात करें तो TCS के रिगार्डिंग अगेन एक पॉजिटिव अपडेट है, जहाँ पे कंपनी ने एक स्ट्रेटेजिक पार्टनरशिप एंटर की है विद बैंक ID बैंक एक्सेप्ट ES नॉर्वे, जो नॉर्वे की नेशनल पेमेंट एंड इलेक्ट्रॉनिक आइडेंटिटी सिस्टम्स है. ओवरऑल ये एम करती है टू सेटअप एंड मैनेज एन ऑपरेशंस कमांड सेंटर दैट विल एनहांस द रेजिलियंस, सिक्योरिटी एंड अवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ द कंट्रीज क्रिटिकल फाइनेंशियल इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर. इंडियन होटल्स की अगर बात करें तो यहाँ पे भी एक पॉजिटिव अपडेट दिख रहा है, जहाँ पे कंपनी ने जो है अपना एक नया अनाउंसमेंट किया है, जहाँ पे वो एक और होटल खोल रहे हैं जिसका नाम होगा ताज द ट्रीज विक्रोली में. इंडियन होटल्स का ओवरऑल मुंबई में ये 5th ताज होटल है. ये जो होटल है ये सिचुएटेड है इन अ मिक्स यूज डेवलपमेंट अक्रॉस, जिसका एरिया है वो है 34 एकर्स का, जिसमें एक शामियाना भी इंक्लूडेड है. सो ओवरऑल एक काफी पॉजिटिव अपडेट होगा इंडियन होटल के लिए. हम इंडियन होटल के स्टॉक पे जो है पॉजिटिव है आने वाले टाइम में भी, एंड इसमें एक अच्छा पोटेंशियल है टू गिव हेल्दी रिटर्न्स टू द इन्वेस्टर्स, स्पेसिफिकली अगर मिड टर्म की बात करें तो. इसी के साथ भील की अगर बात करें तो मिस्टर तजिंदर गुप्ता जो है, इनको कंपनी का डायरेक्टर अपॉइंट किया गया है, स्पेशली जो पावर डिपार्टमेंट है बीएचईएल का उसका। मिस्टर तजिंदर गुप्ता की अगर बात करें तो 1989 बैच के इंस्ट्रूमेंटेशन एंड कंट्रोल इंजीनियर ग्रेजुएट रह चुके हैं फ्रॉम बिट्स पिलानी। मिस्टर गुप्ता जो है ये पहले चीफ जनरल मैनेजर थे एनटीपीसी लिमिटेड में बिफोर ज्वाइनिंग बेल। इन्होंने एनटीपीसी ज्वाइन किया था एज अ ग्रेजुएट इंजीनियर ट्रेनी ऑफिसर इन 1989। एंड ओवरऑल इनका जो है इनके एक्सपीरियंस की बात करें तो 34 इयर्स का डाइवर्स एंड वर्सेटाइल एक्सपीरियंस है प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजमेंट में इनका। सो एक काइंड ऑफ पॉजिटिव अपडेट होगा बीएचईएल के लिए। औरो फार्मा की अगर बात करें तो कंपनी ने वेनेसडे को कहा था कि यूएस हेल्थ रेगुलेटर जो है, इन्होंने एक फॉर्म 483 इशू किया है विथ वन ऑब्जर्वेशन, जो है आफ्टर इंस्पेक्टिंग अ फॉर्मुलेशन प्रोडक्शन फैसिलिटी जो इनके आंध्र प्रदेश यूनिट में है। इसी के साथ अगर गोदरेज प्रॉपर्टीज की बात करें तो अगेन कंपनी ने वेनेसडे को कहा है कि वो ₹1160 रेज करने जा रहे हैं थ्रू इशू ऑफ नॉन कन्वर्टेबल डिबेंचर्स ऑन अ प्राइवेट प्लेसमेंट बेसिस। अभी अगर कुछ मार्केट अपडेट्स ले तो कल की सेशन में हमने देखा कि एक स्ट्रॉन्ग सेल ऑफ देखने मिला था ओवरऑल मार्केट में। निफ्टी और बैंक निफ्टी दोनों ने गैप डाउन ओपनिंग दिखाया है। उसके बाद थोड़ी बहुत सेलिंग जो थी वो सस्टेन की थ्रू आउट द डे। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल निफ्टी अगर बात करें तो निफ्टी कल के सेशन में 20,000 लेवल्स के नीचे स्लिप हो गया था। सो सिंस ये एक काइंड ऑफ नेगेटिव अपडेट है तो थोड़ा सा कॉशियस व्यू रहेगा आज के सेशन में निफ्टी के लिए। यहाँ पे नेक्स्ट सपोर्ट की अगर बात करें तो 19,800 एक इम्पोर्टेंट सपोर्ट है, तो वहाँ पे जो है प्राइस को थोड़ा रिव्यू करना पड़ेगा। बट स्पेसिफिक जो स्टॉक स्पेसिफिक मूव्स है वहाँ पे एक्सपेक्टेशंस पॉजिटिव रखी जा सकती है। बैंक निफ्टी की अगर बात करें तो कल बैंक निफ्टी की जो है वीकली एक्सपायरी थी। सो बिकॉज ऑफ एचडीएफसी बैंक यहाँ पे एक स्ट्रॉन्ग डिक्लाइन देखने मिला था, जबकि पीएसयू बैंक्स में थोड़ी बहुत स्ट्रेंथ फिर भी मेंटेन थी। सो यहाँ पे भी एक कॉशियस व्यू लेके चलेंगे आज के सेशन में। कुछ स्टॉक्स जहाँ पे आज पॉजिटिव नजर रखी जा सकती है वो है ब्लू स्टार, एयू स्मॉल फाइनेंस बैंक, जेके टायर्स, डॉक्टर लाल पैथ लैब्स और पावर ग्रिड। एफआईआईज और डीआईएस डेटा की अगर बात करें तो कल के सेशन में एफआईआईज ने ₹3,110.69 की सेलिंग की थी। सिमिलरली डीआईआईज ने भी ₹573.02 की सेलिंग कल के सेशन में की थी। फाइनली अगर फ्यूचर्स डेटा पे नजर डालें तो कुछ स्टॉक्स जहाँ पे कल के सेशन में लॉन्ग बिल्डअप देखने मिला है वो है ग्लेनमार्क फार्मा, कोलपाल एंड वोडाफोन आइडिया। वही कुछ स्टॉक्स जहाँ पे शॉर्ट बिल्डअप कल के सेशन में देखने मिला है वो है बर्जर पेंट्स, वेदांता एंड बॉश लिमिटेड। So this was all from our end. Thank you for attending the morning con call. Have a good day.